Hey y'all, today I made spicy noodles. Go to my channel to see the video. I love y'all, but today I'm gonna eat them for y'all. So here they are. So let's get started, and we're gonna talk too. Oh, I also got chopsticks. So I want to know, how was y'all day? Because mine was good. Comment down below what's your favorite food. Okay, I gotta go. Life of part 2.